Have you ever received an email that looked like it was from your boss, your bank, or even yourself, but something just felt off? That's email spoofing. In simple terms, it's when a scammer sends an email that pretends to come from someone you trust. They forge the "from" address to trick you into clicking malicious links, giving up personal info, or downloading malware. It's like getting a fake letter in the mail with someone else's name on the envelope, only faster, sneakier, and far more dangerous. The good news? You can protect yourself and your organization from email spoofing. The most effective way is through email authentication protocols like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These tools help ensure that only authorized senders can use your domain, making it much harder for attackers to forge your identity. But that's not all. Other layers of protection include monitoring your domain for abuse, implementing BIMI to show recipients your logo in verified emails, and educating your team to spot spoofing attempts. When combined, these strategies form a powerful defense against impersonation. But setting up and managing these protocols can be complex, especially when you're dealing with multiple domains and email services. That's where PowerDMARC comes in. We make email authentication simple, automated, and effective, so you can stop spoofing attacks before they reach your inbox. Ready to take control of your domain security? Start your journey with PowerDMARC today.